Hi, welcome to Mom How Do I? Today I'm going to show you how to cut hair. First things first, guys, I gotta tell you a little secret. I never went to haircutting school, and I might not use all the right techniques, but sometimes, like during quarantine for example, you just aren't able to get to a professional. In that case, here's one way that can work. Before you begin, you may want to put a cape over the person whose hair you are cutting. This makes it so that the hair doesn't get all over them. If you don't have a cape, a towel will work too. You can find hair clippers online. Typically, they will have different sized guards to choose from. These guards determine the length of the hair. The higher the number on the guard, the longer the hair. I'm going to use size number 6. Plug in the clippers and snap on the guard. I like to spray the hair down first and comb it out before I start cutting. My son likes his hair longer on top, so I'll use a clip to tie that hair back before starting cutting. Lay the guard flat against the head and cut upwards, leaving a little bit at the top to blend in. Be careful when cutting the hair around the ears. It helps me if I push down the ear a little bit to be able to get around it. Quickly go over the top part of the hair again, flicking your wrist out a little bit. Now we are ready to blend. Take the hair into your fingers and cut it with the hair cutting scissors. You can use a comb for this, or you can just grab it in your fingers to cut. Keep going around the head, making sure that it is all blended. When you are done, it never hurts to check everything again to make sure you got it all. Now, very carefully cut the hair right around the ears with the scissors. Next, take the guard off of the clippers and cut the sideburns. And the bottom of the hair. Cut a straight line for the back. Now we're ready for the top. Take the clip out, spray the hair with water again, and comb it through. Next, take a small section of hair and trim it. Take the next section of hair, line it up, and trim it also. Make sure you are getting a little bit of the last section in so you can see where to cut it and get it all the same length. You don't always want to cut the hair in the same direction, so do some side to side, some front to back, etc. Just make sure you get all of it. With the bangs, you'll want to cut it at an angle like this, so the hair doesn't go straight across. Unless, of course, you want it straight. In that case, go for it. It's all just preference. Once that's done, I have my son comb his hair how he likes it, so I can see if anything is out of place. Trim up any long hair that just needs extra blending. And there you have it, freshly cut hair.
Mom?